Hey everybody, Augie at Switchback Trading. Yeah, let's see if the model presents. It looks like it's presenting. So, what do we got here? High, low, right? Okay, so let's put the measurement tool on. Take it from the high down to the low, and what happened? What do you see? What do you see? I'll tell you what I see. See price hitting this gray band here, that's support, okay? So it penetrated that, you know, that's what you want to see for a reversal, right? Price climbs above the 25% reversal level, okay? But it didn't get above the EMA till here. So if you would have went long there, and if you had your stop below this low, you would have taken some heat, stop would have got close, you wouldn't have got stopped out. Or you wait for it to settle down a bit. So like I've said in other videos, the first bounce is more risky. Taking this second bounce, let it settle down a bit. Markets just don't go down straight up, right? They gotta go sideways a bit, right? So you need to give it time to kind of consolidate a bit, stabilize, stop the downtrend, right? Just kind of give it some time. Give it some time. Okay, let me put the measurement tool back on. Right. Right. Okay. So if you let it settle down and it came down here, now this is looking nice. It's going sideways. Boom. Have your level at the 25% at 385. Yeah. Okay. TP1 50% got hit. TP2 75% got hit. You know, and that's within 32 to 39. You know, 7 minutes. 7 minutes from 85 all the way up to 86 all the way up to 91. Yeah, so a little quick scalp. Not a very big range though, however, but that's okay because if you keep watching, look at that, market doesn't move. Okay, so once again, that's what you want to see. You want to see it hitting that band, which is support. Put the measurement on it. Okay, this is a bigger range now. Right, so look at that. It's getting above the 25%. Okay, that's your long entry there. Okay, look at that. It's closing above EMA. Sold off. So you'd put your order in right at the 25% level. Stop below break even. Okay, so we got stopped out here, right? So that's a failed setup. Bring the fibs back down. Okay. Or, like I said before, you wait for it to settle down. After it touches this, wait, see what happens. It likes to hit it, you know, a few times. So, something to be aware of, you know. Because now look at what it did. Look at that. Okay, I'm just gonna take it all. Okay, so right there, you're starting to pay attention. It's closing above the EMA. Closed above the 25% reversal level. Put your stop there. You get filled at 380. Okay, TP1 384, TP2 388, TP3 gets hit. Boom, boom, boom. How nice is that? You know. But once again, I always like going for this. That's my meat. That little chunk right there. That's what I'm after. From the 25 up to the 75% reversal level, because that is that's 8 points right there. Okay, so that's you know, it's not a crazy trade, but it's money. 8 points is money. So you know, you don't need to be going for these massive moves. If you just take these little 8-point compound hits, they add up pretty quick, my friend, pretty quick. Okay, till the next setups, Augie, laters.